The fielding restrictions have now been lifted.
Gone, caught.
He got into a great position to take that catch.
Out, caught.
Oh, the batsman will be kicking himself. It was such a good shot. He looked in good touch, and it's an unbelievable bit of fielding. Oh, and the bowler can't believe it. That's out of the ground. Maximum.
Amazing catch.
That's not a great stroke. It's almost as if he lost concentration. Now, for all you youngsters out there, that is a perfect example of how to play the stroke.
An adjustment to their field. No shot played to that one. Wide ball signalled by the umpire. Stopped in the covers. That over helped the run rate somewhat.
Oh, they're going to have to keep it tighter than that.
And we have a change of bowling. Hit straight to a fielder. Doesn't need to play it those. Tried the arm ball there. That's been given as a wide. Great catch.
The fielder did very well there. He made it look easy, but actually it was a whole lot more difficult than it looked.
Safely taken by Dean.
That's a good effort by the fielder. He did so well to cling on.
That's a brilliant shot. Right off the meat of the bat. Dean is going to try over the wicket. No need. That's good judgment. No need to play at that. 4 wides to Australia.
4 wides. That's the worst result for anybody. His straight driving is perfect.
USA have changed their field. Out.
Oh, the bowler's made a terrible mess of the stumps.
Watson is the new batsman.
The bowler doesn't look happy about it. Misfields like that are nothing but a crime.
The sweeper picks up.
Don't even bother chasing that. That's away into the bleachers.
Hold him.
Totally deceived him with that. Beat him all ends up. I mean, you don't see better than that. They're through to the tail now and should tie this up quickly. And out in the middle is Brett Lee.
Lee waiting at the striker's end.
Nope, the bowler won't be happy about that.
Oh, that could be a very painful blow. And we have a change of bowling.
Oh, another one of those, and this bowler will be out of the attack.
Simons facing. There it goes, right out of the ground.
He loves to sweep the spinners, and he does not spoil their line.
We're about to see a change in the bowling.
Oh, the bowler won't like that. This is exciting stuff.
Oh, comprehensively bowled.
What a cracking delivery.
That's out.
Oh, that went right through. It's as if he misjudged the pace.
No shot played to that one. 4 wides to Australia.
Oh, that's a poor bit of bowling. They can't afford just to give runs away.
Well, that isn't the place to bowl at this batsman.
No, that's not great bowling, to be honest. I don't think the captain will be too happy with that.
USA have changed their field.
Miles! He's hit it miles!